Guys, Brett with New England Auto Truck Recyclers. Today we're partnering out of 2018 Toyota Camry, stock number N01217. Vehicle has 39K. Front end assembly going out on this bad boy. Looks awesome, looks great. Left fender clean, listed no damage. Looks mint. Hood mint, no damage listed there either. Got good headlamps, in great shape. Amber daytime running lamps, I think, is the difference there. Good grill here, looking good. Does have pre-crash. Right headlamp in great shape. Right fender in excellent condition, listed clean with no damage. Front bumper cover, this is really the only place you see any damage listed on the front end. Got a little bit of scrape gouge going on up underneath here. You got a brake at the bottom right there on the cover. So I would call that not insurance quality, but everything else is in great shape. The grill, the rebar, fenders, hood, all the under the hood, mint. Left knee, that's complete. Control arm, spindle, strut. Left front door looks mint, clean, no damage listed there. That looks awesome. Right door mirror, just power. No heat, no turn signal. Looks great though, clean. Good left door on the rear as well, somehow. Clean, no damage. Let's swing around. Dun, dun, dun. Right rear door, that's going to be parts. Got good glass, good regulator coming out of there. Regulator comes with the motor, free lifetime warranty as well. Right front door looks great, clean, listed with no damage. Looks very good. Right door mirror in excellent condition. Again, it's power, no heat, no turn. Right knee is complete. That's control arm, spindle, and strut. Take a look at the inside now. See what's going on in here, huh? Trim's in good shape, as you can imagine, being an 18 with 39K. Not much going on. Clean though, trims, master switch, great shape, all automatic up and down, looking good. Cloth electric on the left, manual on the right. The seats are in excellent condition, no rips, no tears, no burn holes. A little bit of glass, a little bit of dirt, but nothing damaging, that is for sure. Looks awesome. Roof bag on the passenger side is still intact. Same with the dash bag over there. Got a good glove box in the vehicle. Display and receiver in excellent shape here in the dash. You got a nice master switch for heat and AC in here as well. Got a good floor shifter in here. Center console is in excellent condition. What is it? You got one USB port under there, just one. Column, great shape. Comes with the wheel. The wheel looks good. Wheel bag intact here. You got a good roof bag on the driver's side as well as a good driver's side knee bag. Engine runs, speedometer in great shape. Looks great. 39,537. So still decently low mileage here for an 18. Engine runs. Sounds great. Runs clean. Sounds good when you rev it up. You guys know the drill. You got questions. You need an 18 Camry nose. You know who to call. Give a call over to sales. These guys, they're going to be more than happy to give you the help you need.